Hey guys, it's me, Levitate, back with another video, and in this video, I will be teaching you how to start your own SMP server in Minecraft. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all, you're going to want to open Chrome, which you already have opened if you're watching this video. And there's two options about making an SMP server. You can either make a dedicated or one on your machine. I highly recommend that you make a dedicated one. But I'm going to be teaching today how you make it on your own machine. So yeah, we have Hostilic. The link for their website will be in the description of the video. So yeah, they have plans starting from $1 a month only. They have DDoS protection so people can't bring your server offline, unlimited slots, really fast internet. They have really fast hardware, and they have a money back guarantee for the first 24 hours. So if you can't set up your server, you could get a money back. But yeah, I recommend that you get the 2 GB plan because that one you can fit 20 players. But this is without plugins, so with plugins you could run a lot of players. So if you're planning to get plugins such as grief protection or anything like that, you should get the 2 GB one. So yeah, after you chose if you're gonna do hosting. Your hosting, or if you're not going to use hosting, which is what the tutorial is about, which you can port forward. I will teach port forwarding in the next video if you guys like. So yeah, you want to go to papermc.io/downloads. They are a server jar, and they are really fast, hence the name Paper. So yeah, once you're in their website, then you can either get 1.16.5 or you can scroll all the way down here to Legacy, and you can download all the other versions. So you want to download the first build right here. I've already downloaded it, but yeah, you want to click here, and then once you're done, you're going to drag it. Alright, then you're going to create a folder called SMP Server. I've already created one, so yeah, SMP Server. And you're going to want to drag the server jar that you download into the SMP server. Then I'm going to want to rename that to server.jar. Then yeah, after you're done with that, you're going to want to you're going to want to press view first and check if you have file name extensions ticked. Make sure to tick this so that you can see the .text or .jar, as you can see right here. So yeah, then you're going to want to create a new text document, and you're going to name this run and change the txt to bat. Then you can press yes right here, and you're going to want to right click this, edit. So yeah, you're going to do Java XMX 2 GB, unless if you have a slower machine you should probably do 1 GB, but yeah, 2 GB is probably fine for most people. So yeah, then you're going to want to do jar and then server.jar and pause. So then you can save and run this. So double click it, and it'll start creating your server. As you can see, it created cache, and it's downloading all the things necessary for your server. So yeah, I'll speed the video up while it's doing this. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so if you get this, it's normal, this red and yellow message. So yeah, fail to load, so you need to agree to the EULA, so it's the terms of service. So you can press enter here, and then you can go to the text file right here, and set this to true. This means that you agree with their terms and conditions. So yeah, you can close after you set it to true, after you save, of course. So yeah. Then once you're done with that, you can open this, and now it'll finish loading it up. I just wanted to make you agree to the terms before it finished up. So yeah, it's gonna load the world and stuff now. So as you can see, it opened up our little stats. So it shows how much memory your server's using, how much memory you have left. So yeah, and now it's done. So yeah, it says here that when Minecraft 1.17 is released, you must have Java 11. So yeah, once Minecraft 1.17 releases, I'll do a tutorial on how you can get Java 11. and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, I'm running Java 8 right now. So yeah, once you're done with that, you want to open up your Minecraft server, or your Minecraft client, sorry. And you're going to want to press play on the latest release, of course, because that's the version of your server, probably. Unless you set it to a different version, then you want to go to that version. Alright, and while we're going in, you want to go to the console right here, and type op, and then, oh, it tabbed me in. So yeah, you wanna type in op, and then your in-game name. So mine is Levitate Y. So yeah, I'm going to op Levitate Y, and you can press enter. So now I'm a server operator, as you can see right here. So yeah, after that you want to proceed direct connection and localhost. So the localhost is your own computer's hosting. So yeah, there's two ways to do this. You either port forward, which you have to do things in your router. You have to get in your router. It's kind of like control panel of your router, and then open up some ports in there. Or you can use a tool called Hamachi. In the next video, I'm going to teach you guys how to use Hamachi, and maybe even port forwarding if you guys want to do that. So yeah, that's basically it for this first episode of this mini-series, I guess you can call it. So I'm also going to teach you guys how to install plugins in the future. Oh yeah, another thing is, now that you're a server operator, you can go in creative and do whatever you want. So yeah, that's about it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.